So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, today I will show you iPhone rings when on silent mode after iOS 14.4 updates. So guys, lot of iPhone user reported to iPhone ring when on silent mode in iOS 14.4 update. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone as well as iPad. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone ringing in silent mode after iOS 14.4 updates. So guys, today I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, I give you some solutions. So guys, first solution is turn on and off silent mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, inside button to turn on and off silent mode in your iPhone and iPad, and again open the settings, then you can see also sound and haptics. So guys, first of all vibrate on off, again then you can see also change with button on off, and also ring change on iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, second solution is turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode in iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings and scroll down and find out the Do Not Disturb mode. So please tap on that. If you turn off Do Not Disturb mode, so please turn on Do Not Disturb mode. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off Do Not Disturb mode in iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The third solution is restart your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone. After scroll down and find out the general. In general scroll down and last option is shutdown. So please tap on that. Then you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The fourth solution is force restart your iPhone. If you can have a iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, X, XS Max and XR model. So please first of all tap on the volume up button, then tap on volume down button, and also press the on off buttons. When Apple logo appear, then release the both button in iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, if you can have a iPhone 7, 7 Plus, so please first of all tap on the volume down button and also press the on off buttons in same time, and also when Apple logo appear, then release the both button in iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. If you have a iPhone 6 and 6s model, so please first of all press the home buttons, then also press the on off button in same time, and wait for the Apple logo appear, then release the both button in same time, and easy to fix your problems in your iPhone and iPad. Sometimes iPhone ring when on silent mode in iPhone and iPad after iOS 14.4 update. So guys, how to fix this issue? So guys, check your update in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad, then again open the settings, then settings find out the general, then tap on that, then you can see also software update. If you any software update available, so please update to your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The sixth solution is reset network settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down and second last options reset. So please tap on that, then you can see also third option reset network settings. So please tap on that, then enter your passcodes, then again tap on the reset network settings, and easy to fix your problems. The last 7 solution is reset all settings in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, please follow the steps, and easy to fix your problems. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on general. In general second last option you can see also reset option. So please tap on that, then you can see also first option reset all settings. So tap on that, then enter your passcode, then again tap on the reset all settings, and easy to fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also the press bell icon, and also follow my Instagram account. Thank you so much.